Hi guys, welcome to Ages Paintings. Today I will show you how I poured this painting. This is very first time for me to use silicone. I have never done it before. So let's see how I do. I mostly keep my paints already mixed in with Floetrol and water, and the consistency is really thin. But this time I'm going to be adding this silicone in it. This is called Color Pour Cell Magic, and let's see. So I'm thinking because this is going to be a different type of painting, I am not going to use the paints that I've mixed already. They have Floetrol and water in them on a different consistency. I want these to be a little bit less thin because those paints are really thin. These I think should be a little bit more thicker. So I think I'm not going to put any water. Well, I'll just do some Floetrol and maybe some pouring medium and see what happens. So let's see. I decided to do a swipe and I chose these colors. This one is metallic lemon yellow, this one is brilliant red, and fluorescent orange. We do it like this. I think there is something missing. I need either gold, silver, copper, or bronze in it. Here we go. Gold it is. And I think I'm going to swipe it with black. Okay, so let's try this. Let's see what happens. Okay, here's my Floetrol. Oh, this is what I do with my Floetrol. So I take it and I bought a pantyhose and I just cut it up into small pieces, and then I just put it on top here and just tape it, because the Floetrol sometimes it could have lumps in it and I don't want lumps in my painting. So really shake it well. And then I used to strain it, but I saw it somewhere, somebody was doing that, and I was like, oh, this is a great idea. Okay, all right, so let's do this. Just gonna wipe it to make sure there's no gunk on top of it. And I don't know if it's gonna work or not. If it's a fail, well, that's okay. That's how we learn. All right, I'm trying to make sure that they're all the same. Okay. Oh, I should get another one for black, because I do want to swipe with black. All right, awesome. Running out of this, but that's okay. I have another one. Okay, so first I'm going to start with gold Artist Loft. This is old gold. Just going to open it here. And this is almost done. Okay, so I am just going to mix it to see how thick it is. And once I'm happy with one of the paints, then I will mix all of them the same way. So this is all the part that you usually don't see on camera, because we just show you the very quick part of the painting, which is the end. But fluid art, it takes a lot of prep. You have to prep all this way in advance. Okay, so this is how thick this is. All right, so I think I'm going to leave this like that, and then in the end, once all of them are mixed in, then I will put in the pouring medium, just a little bit. Okay, so here I have all the paints mixed. I did add pouring medium until I could get the consistency when it's still thicker but runny. I didn't realize it wasn't recording, so I missed that part. Okay, so I am going to put 2 to 3 drops in all of them. 1, 2, 3. And now I am going, because I don't want the cells to break up too much, I'm just going to give it like 1, 2, 3 stirs. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, okay. 3. So let's do this. Colors. How should I do the colors? I think so I'll leave some space here for the black. So I'm gonna swipe it this way. I'm going to start with red. Okay. Just okay. And gold. Oh, I should not mix it. I'm so used to mixing because I always mix my paints before and this one I should not mix, because the red one I think I did mix because I'm so used to it. Okay, now we're gonna do orange, not mixing it. Remembering not to mix. Okay, and a little bit gold again. Yellow. Okay, and gold again. Okay, I don't want to worry too much about the end because it'll be coming here, so hopefully it will cover it. And the black. Maybe I should have left. I feel like I should have put it closer. So what other color can I put in? I didn't mix too many colors, so I'll just put some orange or whatever. I don't want to put yellow right beside the black because it will make green. I'll just put some gold. I don't know, I'm just playing with it anyways. This is the technique that I've not tried so far. Okay, so I think I'm gonna just tilt it a little bit so it will go to the sides too. Hey, if it works, it works. If it doesn't, it's just paint. Okay, I think I'm gonna, yeah, I think I'm not gonna move it too much. Okay, let's start. So I'm going to put it in the black. I'm gonna make sure that it's really in. There we go. And now very slowly I'm gonna just go over the paints. Okay, so the whole thing is not getting the black, but that's okay. All right. Woo. Ooh, I see cells. This part needs a bit more. There we go. Okay. Oh, look at all the cells. Oh my god. That is so cool. Okay, so what I'm going to do, because I see a lot of stuff happening in here, I don't want to touch it, but I'm going to move it around so I get less black. Just gonna play with it a little bit. Maybe I should leave it to see how the cells are going to develop, but I don't like that black part on the side. This is so cool. Next time I think I'm gonna do it, and I'm not going to move it around to see how the cell will develop if I give them some time. I'm not patient. Okay, we need to get rid of this part here. So we are going to lose some of this, but that's okay. Because, okay. I think it's going to keep developing for some time. This is something so different for me. I don't usually do this kind of thing. Wow, I like how all of these have this black outline. So cool. I feel like this part needs a little bit more on the edges. I am losing the yellow, but that's okay. There. The black I can just cover there. Okay. This kind of painting, we have to think about the edges too, right? Can't really paint it black afterwards because it wouldn't look as cool as this. I really like it. It looks so different from what I'm used to. So for this one, I think when it dries, I will have to clean it up before I can put anything on top of it, because it does have oil in it. And if you put resin or if you put any kind of top coat on it, it just separates. So for this one, you have to make sure that the oil is wiped clean. I've seen different people do different things, so I will try different things to see which one works for me. And then I will share that with you guys too. I think I'm going to wait, yeah, at least 2 weeks or more to make sure that it's completely dry before I can, you know, play and do anything with it. Because once you put something on top and then you figure out, oh, it wasn't even dry properly, it will ruin your painting. And there will be nothing you can do to fix it. And here is the close-up of the painting. I really like how the cells look. I like that black outline and it looks really interesting. I will play more with it and see where it takes me. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe if you're new, and like, comment and share, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.